Good morning to all, my dear student. I am KV Bhikshamaya, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Gambhiravpet, Rajana Sirsilla. The brain of Physion is relatively larger than in lower forms, but in a shape it is short, broad, rounded in form, whitish in color. The brain is enclosed inside the cranium. Brain is covered by two meninges, namely an inner perimeter and an outer dermater. The brain has three main regions. They are forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain, also called prosencephalon. Midbrain, also called mesencephalon. Hindbrain, also called rhomboencephalon. First, we discuss about this forebrain. The forebrain includes olfactors, lobes, cerebral hemispheres, and dencephalon. A pair of conical bodies is located at the anterior end of the brain. These are called olfactory lobes. The olfactory lobes are small and generated due to poorly developed organs of smell. Posterior to olfactory lobes, there are two large lobes. There are two large lobes called cerebral hemispheres. They have smooth surface. The ventral and lateral walls of the cerebral hemispheres are thick and are called corpus striata. The two corpus striata are interconnected by an anterior conjunctions. The roof of each cerebral hemisphere is called neopallium. Neopallium. The dencephalon lies behind the cerebral hemispheres. The roof of the dencephalon is thin and it is called epithalamus. The floor of the Dinicephalon is thick and it is called hypothalamus. The side walls of the Dinicephalon are thick and are called optic thalami. Optic thalami. The roof of the Dinicephalon has a oval body called pineal body. Pineal body. The ventral side of the Dinicephalon has an outgrowth called infundibulum. The infundibulum carries an oval body called hypophysis. The infundibulum carries an oval body called hypophysis. The infundibulum and hypophysis are together called the pituitary gland. In front of the pituitary gland, there is an X-shaped structure and optic chiasma. X-shaped structure called optic chiasma. This is the power brain. Next, midbrain. The midbrain consists of two optic lobes. As the optic lobes are two in number, they are called corpora bigminia. There are two longitudinal bands of nerves beneath the optic lobe. They connect the Dinocephalon with the medulla oblongata. Their nerve bonds are called crura cerebri. The nerve bands are called crura cerebri. Next, hindbrain. The hindbrain consists of cerebellum and medulla oblongata. The cerebellum consists of three lobes, namely a central vermis and two lateral loci. The medulla oblongata lies behind the cerebellum. The medulla oblongata is broad and posteriorly. It is connected with the spinal cord. The roof of the medulla oblongata is thin, vascular and folded to form the posterior choroid plexus. This is the hindbrain. This is the hindbrain of. Next, ventricles of brain. Ventricles of brain. The cavity enclosed The cavity enclosed by brain is called ventricle. There are 4 ventricles in the brain. They are 1, 2, 3 and 4 ventricles. 1 and 2 ventricles are located inside the cerebrum. They are also called lateral ventricles or paroxysms. Next, third ventricle lies inside diencephalon. It is also called diastole. It communicated with 1 and 2 ventricles by 2 openings called foramen of Monro. The 4th ventricle is present inside the cerebellum. It is also called metastele. It is a metastele. Third and fourth ventricles are connected by a narrow canal called iter or aqueduct of Salvillus lying in the midbrain. This is the ventricles of brain. Next, functions of different parts of brain. Functions of different parts of brain. The functions of different parts of brain are following. First of all, we discuss olfactory lobes. Smell. Cerebral hemispheres. Voluntary movements, intelligence, will, memory, emotions, etc. Next, diencephalon really implies 2 cerebral hemispheres, integrating central of automatic system and perception of extreme, cold, heat, pain, etc. Next, optic lobes, sight, crura cerebri, conduction of sensor impulse, cerebellum, voluntary movement and balance. Next, medulla oblongata, involuntary movements. We saw the Physician brain picture. First of olfactory lobe, next cerebral hemispheres, next optic chiasma and optic loop and flocculus infundibulum and vermis. Next medulla oblongata, last is spinal cord and center part of the hypophysis. This is the dorsal view of the Pheasian brain and ventral brain. Ventral view, sorry. Dorsal view and ventral view. This is the Pheasian brain. Next, we see again the brain of Pheasian is relatively larger than in the lower forms. What is the shape? It is the short, broad, round, in from the whitish in color. The brain is enclosed inside of the cranium. The brain has a three main region: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain includes the olfactory lobes, cerebral hemicephalus, and densecephalus. A pair of the conical bodies of the located at the anterior end of the brain. These are the called olfactory lobes. Next, the olfactory lobes are smell and degenerated due to the poorly developed organ of smell. Posterior to the olfactory lobes, there are two largest lobes of the cerebral hemispheres. They have smooth surface. The two corpora striata are interconnected by an anterior commissures. They are roof of the each cerebral hemisphere is called neopilum. The densecephalon lies behind the cerebral hemispheres. The roof of the densecephalon is thin and it is called epithalamus. The floor of the densecephalon is thick and it is called the hypothalamus. The side walls of the densecephalon are thick and are called the optic thalami. The roof of the densecephalon has a oval body called pineal body. The ventral side of the densecephalon has an outgrowth called infundibulum. The infundibulum carries an oval body called hypophysis. The infundibulum and hypophysis are together called the pituitary gland. In front of the pituitary gland, there is an X-shaped structure called the optic chiasma. Midbrain. The midbrain consists of two optic lobes. As the optic lobes are two in number, they are called the corpora bigmania, and there are two longitudinal bands, nervous beneath and the optic lobe. They connect the densecephalon with the medulla oblongata. They are nerve bonds are called the crura cerebri. Hindbrain. The hindbrain consists of the cerebrum and medulla oblongata. The cerebrum consists of three lobes, namely a central vermis and two lateral floculi. The medulla oblongata lies behind the cerebellum. The medulla oblongata is broad and the posterior it is connected to with the spinal cord. The roof of the medulla oblongata is thin and vascular and floated from the posterior chordator plexus. The ventricles of brain. The cavity enclosed by the brain is called ventricle. There are four ventricles in the brain. They are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Function of the different parts of the brain. The function of the different parts of the brain are following: olfactory lobes, smell; cerebral hemispheres, elementary memories and intelligence, memory and emotions, etc. Diencephalon, real intelligence to cerebral hemispheres, integrate in center of the automatical system are the perception of the extreme cold, heat, pain, etc. Optic lobes, sight, crura cerebri, conductor of the impulse, cerebellum, voluntary movement of the balance, medulla oblongata, involuntary movements. This is the Pheasian brain. Okay. Thank you very much.